Hello and welcome to the Tesla Daily Investor. So the date is the 8th of February 2025. It's around 2:30 in London. It's a really cold day today, windy. The sun's not out, very cloudy, but it's going to be time to invest now. So the markets are open. I forgot to do the third investment yesterday. It was too late and the market was closed. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to invest double on this session. So for anyone new to the channel, my portfolio, my investment goal is long term, between 5 and 10 years. I invest through an individual savings account which has a £20,000 limit, and any gains that I make is free of capital gains tax. I also invest in my self-invested personal pension, and I also have a general investment account. So I basically, what I do is I invest in 3 shares because I really believe in the future of autonomy, which is why I invest in Tesla heavily. And then I also believe in the future of artificial intelligence, which is why I'm like loading up in NVIDIA as well, and MicroStrategy. I think there's a big future for Bitcoin as well. So my ultimate goal is to try and acquire 1,000 shares in Tesla, 100 shares in NVIDIA, and 100 shares in MicroStrategy. So I'm just going to have a look at my portfolio now. So in my general investment account, I have around just over 91,000. In my stocks and shares ISA account, I have just over 13,000, and in my SIP, self-invested personal pension, I have just over £1,000. The majority of the money is in Tesla stock. I think I have around 385 shares in Tesla, and the remaining is in MicroStrategy and NVIDIA. So that's my strategy going forward. So I'm going to start investing now. So let's have a look. So I'm in my ISA account now, as you can see. And now I'm going to have a look at Tesla. So today, it started off flat. Last 1 month it's down just under 6%. So it's a good buying opportunity. I'm not too concerned about the daily fluctuations. Like I said, it's a 5 to 10 year strategy, and I think it's going to be, a very, very big company, maybe one of the biggest companies in the world in the future. So I'm going to buy it now. So I was supposed to buy £80 yesterday, which I forgot to do. So I'm going to roll it over to today. And so it's another 80. So 80 plus 80, I'm going to be investing 160 into Tesla today. So I'm going to review the order, confirm the buy, sending the order through, and that's done. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to buy NVIDIA. So I forgot to buy it yesterday. I'm going to do it today. So that's going to be £20 in total. So let's have a look at the daily movement. So it's up 1% today. Last month it's down just over 9%. Last 3 months just down over 10%. 6 months up 20%. 1 year up 86%. Maximum just under 2,000% up. So it's doing good, but like I said, this is going to be a 5-year position at least, and let's see where it goes from there. So I'm going to buy that £20 into NVIDIA. I'm going to review the order, confirm the buy. So that's done. So in total I have 2.86 shares in NVIDIA, and it's up about 6%. Let's have a look at Tesla again. If we look at that, the number of shares that I have in my ISA is 34.6 shares. That's down just over 7%. I'm just going to quickly go to my general investment account to see the performance there as well. So in my general investment account, I have 301 shares in Tesla, and that's up just over 91%. So it's doing really well. So let's go back into the ISA again. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to be purchasing MicroStrategy. Again, this is a very, very long-term investment. If you have a look at the maximum returns, which is the last 5 years, I believe, is up just over 2,000%. And I think it's got a lot more to go, because of the Bitcoin position that they hold. So today alone is up 5.26. So it's very volatile at the moment. So I'm still gonna buy it. £20 I'm gonna put into this order. So I'm gonna confirm the buy. Putting the order through, so that's done. In total I have 0.6, just under 0 shares in MicroStrategy. So it's going to be a long process, but again, this is about building long-term wealth, and hopefully it's gonna happen over 5 years, and then after 5 years I'm gonna see a lot of growth in the future as well. And then as and when I need to, I can take money out, and because this is an ISA, there's no capital gains tax that I have to pay, which is a great bonus as well. So that's all 3 investments done for the day. So this is the first interval, this is the first segment. So I've got another 2 segments to go. I'm going to be investing another £100 middle of the trading day, and then just before the markets close, I've got an alarm on to deploy another £100 into the market. So 3 times a day when the markets open, £100 each into 3 shares: Tesla £80, NVIDIA £10, and MicroStrategy £10. It's just so I can get into the habit of investing and, build long-term wealth. And the main thing is just getting into the habit of investing and not being too concerned about the ups and downs of the market. Previously I was in a lot of good positions like Apple, Google, Netflix, but the thing was I kept on buying and selling, and now looking back I know that was a big mistake, because if I just held on to it, I would have made so much more compared to just buying, then selling at a profit, and then using the money to do something like go on a nice holiday or something like that. It's just a waste of money. It was a nice experience, but if I managed my money better, then I would have been in a better position. I would be able to go on better holidays, do more with my money now. So it's a lesson learned, and going forward, this is the mindset that I've got. So pick great companies, invest regularly, build that, perseverance to the market. So if anything is down 20-30%, don't panic and sell, just keep on buying more. So that's the mindset at the moment. Hopefully it's going to pay dividends in the future. So if you're enjoying these videos, please like the videos and subscribe as well. I'd really appreciate it. I've got about 1,000 subscribers at the moment, and I'm trying to grow the channel as much as possible. Feel free to join in to these investment habits as well. You can even do this with £1, because in an ISA you can purchase fractional shares. So just building that muscle of investing regularly makes a big difference to your mental health as well, because it's made a big difference to me. I'm feeling much better about the future. I know that if I can develop this long-term strategy, then I'll have a better future, hopefully. So that's it for today. If you have any questions at all, please leave a comment below, and I will answer anything you want. And I will see you in I'll see you in a few hours time. Have a great day. Take care. Bye.